Panduit is a leading provider of balance of system BOS components for the solar industry. Our robust physical infrastructure solutions have evolved to play a vital role in renewable energy production facilities worldwide. Our solar energy solutions are easy to install and have been tested in extreme environments to provide a safe and reliable solution. As the solar industry has matured, solar-derived power has evolved from simple panels to complex assemblies of solar conversion devices, control systems, and transmission stations. Panduit provides customers a robust end-to-end solution for solar energy that prioritizes system reliability, productivity, and safety throughout the infrastructure. Our solution aligns critical control, power, and network distributed systems to maximize the creation and delivery of solar-derived electricity. Select products in Panduit's solar panel solution include patented time-saving features to ease the installation process. For example, our plastic and metal edge clips in SMC connectors are designed with productivity in mind. Used to manage PV cables on the solar panel, edge clips feature an adjustable design for universal rack sizes and a teeth lock feature to prevent movement. These edge clips are installed by simply snapping right into place, with no tools needed. Metal clips are used for 25 to 30-year life rating, and plastic clips are used where there is a concern of galvanic corrosion. SMC connectors are just as easy to install. Just strip the cable and crimp the connector. Then insert into housing and tighten end caps until you hear an audible click. Push the connectors together for a snap fit to complete the installation. Our combination of engineering and manufacturing expertise means our full portfolio of solutions is broad and deep, covering up to 75% of a typical PV installation electrical BOS. From grounding C-tap connectors and lay-in lugs to cable management solutions such as stainless steel and nylon 12 cable ties, edge clips and cable cleats to print-on-demand identification labels, multi-connectors, electrical tape, and network connectivity products, Panduit has been leading the way, partnering with EPCs and solar installers on PV installations. Best practice methodologies, end-to-end support, and a comprehensive portfolio of solutions position Panduit as the leading provider of robust physical infrastructure solutions for meeting today's solar energy demands, powering today and tomorrow.